Hi, I'm Susan with the Catholic Company, and this is the Children's Illustrated Bible. The beautiful illustrations in this book help to picture what was going on when these stories took place. The author has retold the Bible stories in a way that will make them easy to understand. When you read the book, you will notice that the language the author uses is drawn from the Bible itself. This Children's Illustrated Bible is a wonderful way to share the Word of God with your child. Thank you for your interest in the Catholic Company, and God bless.